So today we are going to learn write the following in standard form. 3 million raised to 3. So now we will split this 3 million into 3 into 1 million. 3 into 1 million raised to 3. Now this 1 million can also be written in the form of 10 raised to n. So 3 into 10 raised to 6, the whole raised to 3. Because 1 is followed by 6 zeros, that's why this 6. Now what does the law? It states that a into b, the whole raised to m is equal to a raised to m into b raised to m. So that means this power is shared by 3 and 10 raised to 6. So we can write 3 cube into 10 raised to 6 the whole raised to 3. Now 3 cube is 27 and 10 raised to 6 3s are 18. A raised to m, the whole raised to n is a raised to mn. So we have multiplied this. But when we have to express the numbers in standard form, the value of the number should be between 1 and 10 children. But here the value is 27. So how can you turn this 27 to a value between 1 and 10? You can make 27 as 2.7. But for that, you should shift your decimal one place towards your left. So when you shift your decimal towards your left, you have to write 10 raised to 1 because you have shifted one place towards your left. For a detailed video, please watch Express in Standard Form Case 3. I have already done a video on that. Okay, children? Into 10 raised to 18. So 2.7 into 10 raised to 1 plus 18. Why? Because a raised to m into a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. So m plus n. 1 plus 18 is 19. Hope you understood, children.